I just did the baggage claim, and then I just checked in through security, and I'm off on my flight. I leave in about 2-ish hours, but yeah, so I just have to go to my gates and wait there. I think I may get something to eat first. I don't know yet. Yeah, see you guys. Hey guys. So I've never flown before. This is my first time flying, and I think it's like pretty cool. And I have to wait an hour and 45 minutes for my flight now, so that's like a bummer. But still, I think I'm gonna go get a coffee or like an orange juice just before the plane, and then I'll be in Dallas. So I'm flying from Sacramento to Dallas. So yeah, that's what I'm really excited. But made it through security really quickly, made it through baggage claim really quickly, and yeah. So yeah. Hey guys, so my plane boards in 10 minutes, and I had to go get water before the flight, and because I'm not gonna be I gotta stay hydrated. So the plane is boarding now. I'm in group 6, so I don't board yet, but I'm boarding now, and I'll see you guys up in the sky. See you guys there. Boarding the plane right now. Really excited. Landed. I'm in Dallas airport right now, and Dallas is freaking huge. The airport is really big. So I have to take a train to the next terminal so I can catch that flight, and then from there I'll be flying to Killeen, where I'll be with my family. Yeah. So landed here in Killeen, made it. So when I was in Dallas on my layover, I had to switch terminals, and also they changed the gate on me, so I had to change gates as well. So that was fun, kinda. Yeah. So, anyways, I'm here to get my baggage now. So yeah. What's up everyone? I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're not, thanks for returning. Don't forget to comment down below if you like this video or not, and comment down below your guys' first time flying. Like, I know that was my first time flying. I flew all by myself. I'm 18. And it was a really fun experience. I had a great time. I have many more videos planned while I'm down here in the great state of Texas. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and comment. And I hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, see you guys.